Y'all, I'm really not sure why scammers continue to lie, but everybody's favorite credit repair scammer, Nguyen of Pinnacle Credit Repair, Pinnacle Credit Management, just said on a recent video that he doesn't work with people like in the Philippines, but he literally works with somebody in India. Just watch this.
Now, if you need credit repair, you're not going to work with someone in India or the Philippines. You're going to work with me, Andre. I am what you call an operator and an owner and a CEO. I operate my business. I'm not just a person that collects a check.
So like I said, scammers, all they do is lie. All you got to do is go to upwork.com and you can hire Tanmay yourself. No need to pay in this scammer thousands of dollars to try to fix your credit when you can pay Tanmay the same thing that Andre's paying him, which is $5 an hour. And yes, he is located in India, and yes, he is more than likely going to sell your information because he's only making $5 an hour. Be careful who you hire for credit repair. They may sound good, they may talk the talk, but they don't always walk the walk.